Hi friends, good afternoon and see this is again Reliance stock. Okay, this is a cash stock, okay, not a futures one. So as said in the morning, right, so this is the high made 1387 and this gap, okay, if you go through my morning video you'll come to know actually, but the only problem, okay, means we missed the opportunity to buy because I expected it will come down to at least half of this gap. Okay, this gap I mean to say this gap. Okay, so it never came back. So I was not into any trade into Reliance and I did something else. Okay, so here, so if you go through this chart, right? So see, first of all, why I told you don't go for an aggressive buying at the open itself is because, see, already in the last general body meeting or general meeting, okay, Reliance, okay, uh, Mukesh Ambani expressed his views that he's very much interested to collaborate with Facebook, okay, and the news is already there, and this fall is only because of coronavirus, lockdown and all that, okay. Every stock has fallen only because of coronavirus, nothing else, okay, not because of fundamentals, not because of anything, okay, because once there is a shutdown it will impact the business and simply everyone who are holding the stock they sold out, that's it. So now how come this bounce back happened? This bounce back happened because again when there is a downtrend there will be a correction, right? So upside correction happened as of now, okay, not because of anything else. If you go through the meeting date and all that, right, see, one thing first of all in stock markets you need to understand clearly is everything is priced in, okay, especially news is always in the price, means when we are ready to trade at that time it's already priced in. The only thing is operators will do some kind of magics, that's it, in the sense once we are selling means they'll buy that based upon this volume and all that. See this volume here, you can see, right, this green bar, okay, so those things happen and we will, our stop loss will hit and all the, you know, right, the things will happen. So basically here everyone needs to understand here is, if you are looking for very long term, Reliance is not a small company and Facebook has invested 43,000 change crores, okay, so and it's not a, it's a big amount, actually huge amount, especially for India. So if if you are going for a very long term, something like minimum 3 to 5 years, then you'll get a reward because Reliance stock is definitely going to hit 2200 2300 in that period, 3 to 5 years. And if you want this stock to hit that particular, means double 2600 in 1 year, it won't happen. In next 1 year we might see another downtrend also, right, in all the stocks, not only in Reliance, because as of now yesterday I have seen the 38% retracement. So if that happens, remember that if that happens, then a new low, again one more low will form, but that's not an easy thing to happen. It won't happen in a week or 1 month period. It will gradually, something like in next 1 year, okay, slowly it will move, because as of now entire world understood the coronavirus impact and how the virus is spreading and how the people are contaminated to specific regions and locations, right? So people understood now. So I don't see further impact on the people's side, okay, there might be cases increasing or decreasing, but it won't go beyond the government's hands, I think so, because the positive, means whatever that coronavirus COVID kits are there and people got an awareness, okay, how to make themselves bit isolated from others and all that, right? So I don't see another big fall downside, but definitely there will be a correction when normal investors keep buying, okay, in every stock, so that's the reason some some HNIs or something like some market analysts are saying that there is a possibility of Nifty hitting 10,000 and Bank Nifty hitting 22,000. Okay, so there is a possibility. So understand the thing here. So one thing, first one is, okay, first point is, if you want to hold it for 3 to 5 years, then go for a long here based upon your capital. This is a Reliance stock and nothing will happen. But if you you cannot dare to do that, then wait for 1100 or below 1000 also, wait for till that point of time and then you start investing. But how can we say that it will come down to 1000? Okay, at least this area, not an easy thing, especially after this good news. And tomorrow also, we never know, there will be another upper circuit. Okay, so as of now this buying happened. So I would say that if you are very long-term investor, split your investment and just invest in an SIP model. If you are a trader, just wait for an entry on the upside. Okay, because as of now the news is very, very strong, and any bounce, any fall till 1150 or 1200, there will be a trading opportunity again on the upside. Okay, so you need to decide on that. And today our our view was bang on. I expected 1167, means that upper circuit, second upper circuit, that 5 minutes chart. If you see, right, morning I told you, and I told you not to buy as well. Okay, because see, the risk happens once it falls below to cover this gap. Okay, so already it moving upside, so then if you start investing again, when we lose money, we cannot cover it actually. If you want to cover it, then you need to short the Reliance future stock there. Okay, so that risk will be there always. So if you can afford that only, you can buy this here. Remember that. If you are buying here or here or here, you need to short F&O stock the same size. For example, that Reliance F&O stock, something like it is around 1000, I guess, 1000 or 800. So that many shares, if you are buying here, you need to short the same F&O stock to cover this. If anything goes like this, right, this F&O stock will cover. And if this goes on, at some point of time, based upon the reversal happens, okay, what you can do is you can book this stock and this F&O stock will be roll over to the next contract, and after 1 month or 15 days you can see a good profit. Okay, that is arbitraging, but for that everyone needs some kind of experience. Okay, it's not an easy thing. So hope you understood this thing. Okay, so Reliance, as of now, as of today, just wait for an opportunity. Once it comes, once there is a dip, right, then only you can go ahead with the upside trading. Thank you. And if you see any upper circuit tomorrow also, don't fall into the trap and think that it won't come back. Okay, nothing, everything will come back to the mean. Okay, I told you this thing, right? Let me tell you this thing. This is what happens. Okay, like this, like this, like this, Okay, this is what happens in every stock. So people thought that it won't come back, it will always come back.